So I come to the shop to pick up the RS. To take it for a drive, take some pictures, and check this out. The steering wheel is extremely hard to move. All-wheel drive is off, mode selection is off.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
So, the RS broke on me this weekend. Steering rack decided to go out. Put about 100 miles on it, but these things are all just bound to happen in the first 3,000 miles of a flood car. Usually that's what they say, and that's just one of the speed bumps, I guess. So today what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the steering rack off. First comes the cover. Alright, so the subframe is off. So is the rack and pinion. So our code is telling us that this unit is toast. So instead of wasting a whole bunch of time, we will just swap this out. And see if it fixes it. I guess this is what modern power steering racks look like. So a complete motherboard in here. We're not going to take any chances and just swap it out. So this was literally false hope. The 2016 ST steering rack is completely different. This section that goes to the column is a little bit longer, so the rack is different. But what I'm trying to do now is this is the RS rack. We took the motor off, took another motor off of a 2016 ST, and they look identical. So fingers crossed, we put the motor back in, and we'll see if there's an error. And if it's all good, to alignment, and then for the scenic shots. So instead of wasting time and connecting the steering rack completely, we connected the plugs, wires, grounds for the steering rack like this. So what we're gonna do is see if we have communication with the rack and the BCM. So okay, it looks like the rack is reading, but we won't know for sure until it's on the ground. But looks good.